Hi, welcome back again. In this short video, I am going to give you 10 words for girl. So, there are many words which you can use in formal setup like in office, but then there are many words which you should not use in office or in front of parents or teachers. So, certain words are there which you can use among friends. Now, all these words you can find, to be used in movies or in the books. So the idea is not to give you the exact word for girl, but to give a set of words which has the similar kind of meaning and can be used in different place differently. But the good part is, now in future, if you will hear these words, if you hear these words in movies or in you read it in any book, or you hear somebody talking, then you will understand, oh, they are talking about a girl. So let's do it. We can use words like gal. Damsel is again a beautiful girl. Bombshell is again a very attractive girl. You can use bombshell for that. Lass, you can use this for girl. This has Australian origin, so this word comes from Australia, but now this word is used in English. So you can use lass. It's not very formal. Belle is, again, it has French origin, and belle means a very beautiful girl. You can use sweetheart. Sweetheart is also used for boys, so you can say a boy a sweetheart, or you can also say a girl a sweetheart. You can use maiden. Now, chick, bird, and babe. These three words are not formal, should not be spoken in front of parents or teachers, or should not be used in office. Okay, and then we have Colleen. So you can use all these words where you have to use the word girl. So I will just go through once again to give you the correct pronunciation. Just follow the pronunciation. The first one is gal, then we have damsel, then we have bombshell, then lass, and then belle, sweetheart, maiden, chick, bird, Colleen, and then babe. And that's it. Thanks for watching.